Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a jetatorial.
A sinkhole formed on a busy road in Yashio, Saitama Prefecture, Japan, on January 28, 2025, trapping a truck and its driver. The crater, 30 feet wide and 16 feet deep, appeared suddenly, causing the truck to sink. The driver is in communication with rescuers, but remains trapped as the truck's front end is lodged in dirt. Firefighters have deployed cranes and ropes, though the fragile walls of the hole make rescue operations dangerous. Locals were shocked, with one woman describing the truck disappearing into the hole. Authorities are investigating potential causes, including underground pipes, weather, and construction. The area has been closed off due to safety concerns.
From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.